Morning guys, it's me Gordon from GDUBTV, and in today's video we are going to announce the winner of the 10k giveaway. Watch this space. Can I get a flat white please? So guys, I'm sat in the drive-through in Sittingbourne and today's a super exciting day. It's the end of the 10k giveaway and I've just drawn the winner. I've sent them an email and they've literally just tried to call me while I was just placing my order. So I'm going to ring them back in a moment.
A little later.
So I told you we've got the winner for the 10k giveaway. I've got his number on my phone. I can't obviously show you that number, but I'm going to put it on speakerphone. Going to ring him now, let him know that he has won all of these different goodies. Let's get his reaction. Let's do it. Okay, hope you can hear that. Get my mic down.
Hello.
Hello, is that Anthony?
Sorry, you cut out there.
Oh, hello, is that Anthony?
It is, yeah.
Brilliant. It's Gordon from GDUBTV. How you doing?
I'm not too bad. How are you?
Great, very good. I'm not sure if you remember, you entered the 10k giveaway. I just wanted to let you know you are the lucky winner.
You're joking.
No, you're the you're the lucky winner. Yeah. So you've got a front splitter coming to you courtesy of Travelling Light, some speakers from our friends at Skipton Car Radio. There's a goodie bag full of merch from Heritage Park Centre. There's also a cab blind from the guys at Creative Covers as well for your vehicle. So how do you feel about that?
I honestly, I've never won anything in my entire life. And I'm not exaggerating myself. I've never won anything. I'm not a lucky person.
Brilliant.
It couldn't have come at a better time, all of this.
That's brilliant.
So I'm converting it.
That's brilliant. Whereabouts are you from? It sounds like a northern accent. Whereabouts you from, mate?
Yeah, I'm from the Lake District up in Cumbria.
Okay, brilliant.
Very lucky boy I am.
Brilliant. That's great.
Even more so now.
well, if you could send me a picture of your van, I'm actually recording this conversation now, so if you could send me a picture of the van, it'd be great just to show the viewers, get all your details and get all those bits and pieces arranged for you.
That's absolutely brilliant. Thank you so much.
Brilliant. Well, have a great day. Cheers, mate. Thanks for entering.
I will, don't you worry.
Nice one. I'll give you a ring in a minute. Cheers, mate. Bye.
Sorry, bye. Still ahead.
Okay, so there we go, guys. So that's Anthony English, and he's the winner of our 10k giveaway. Thank you so much to all of our partners who've entered and given great gifts. So we've got Travelling Light, we've got Skipton Car Radio, we've got Heritage Park Centre and Creative Covers as well. Just thank you so much to those guys. Thank you to all of you that entered the competition, and thank you also so much for everyone that's a subscriber of the channel. We wouldn't be able to do this if it wasn't for you guys following along on YouTube and just enjoying the journey. So thank you so much. We got one lucky winner and then onwards with the journey. Hi guys, so I'm just driving to go and visit the guys at the Dub Hut. So when I've done some work on the van that you're going to see in some videos that will follow this, but I've already done the work. And so I fed the solar panels to the roof, which was great. 400 watts of solar banging on this roof, which is brilliant. But I had to pull off the ply lining to do it. And I just need those guys to help me put it back up there because I've tried and it just won't stay up. And so they're going to sort that out for me. So I'm just on the way down there. Those guys are brilliant. They fitted the roof for me and they're only an hour away from me. If you're in and around Kent and you need someone to look after your VW camper van conversion, motorhome, they do have a vans as well actually. Check out the Dub Hut, they're great.
1 hour later.
So guys, some exciting news. I'm outside my friends at the Dub Hut and they're actually going to be selling my van for me. It's well worth your while getting in touch with these guys if it's something that you're interested in. They're going to be selling it. Just saves me a lot of the aggro. We kind of dealing with viewings and all that sort of stuff. They obviously get a lot of business to do with camper vans as well, and they're only up the road from me. And also it means that they've done a lot of stuff on the van for me as well, so it means I can give them a little bit back as well for their time and their effort on the van, which has been amazing. So guys, this is great. I'm now actually going to head off to Whitstable to go and see a friend who's got Carista, which is something that you plug into your van, and he's just going to have a little look at removing the airbag light for me, because the other day I turned the ignition on when I had all the airbag disconnected and it's put the warning light on, and I've got an MOT this afternoon, and so I need that turning off. So I'm going to go and meet a guy called Matt who's doing his own build as well. We've become friends through Instagram. I love the way that works. So he's going to go and plug in and do that for me.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Hi guys, so I'm now with Matt and Elle and their lovely little puppy buddy. And look, there's their beautiful, the T5 project just down the driveway there. We'll get a little close up in a minute. But I've literally swung over to these guys from the Dub Hut because Matt has got Carista. What is Carista, Matt?
Well, hopefully it will clear your any engine faults or anything like that, so we can plug in and see what's happening.
So I've done a schoolboy error. I've removed the passenger's airbag, turned the ignition on. I've now got a warning light. And then I saw on Instagram that Matt had this. I was like, mate, could you try and turn my airbag off? Because I've got an MOT this afternoon. Yeah. So we'll see how we get on, which is great. So lovely to meet these guys. They're doing a van conversion, their own one. Got in touch through Instagram. It's just great to getting to know people on the scene, which is brilliant. They're only up the road from me in Whitstable. Won't give their address out, but we're in Whitstable. They've got a sweet van and they're lovely people. So let's see what we can do. This is Matt and Elle's T5 project. They're on Instagram. If you look for the T5 project, you'll find them on there. They've also got a great YouTube channel, link is in the description, where they're basically showing you how to do all of the different bits and bobs. They've got solar panel on the roof and they're just kitting the inside out. They're at the point where they're carpet lining. Let's have a little close look. As you can see, they've done the soundproofing, some of the insulation, Dacron to go in there, which they've got just there, carpet lining. They've done a great job. Like, look at this, edges on the doors, absolutely amazing. And they're just at the point, little caravans, double swivel. And so they're just fitting this out. It looks really, really good.
2 hours later.
All right, guys, so I'm now sat in a car park in Crayford eating a McDonald's. It was very nice. I had a Big Mac. It was very tasty, actually. But I'm going to go and get my van MOT'd at a garage I used to work at, Bexley Lane Garage. I worked there for about 7 years. It's where I learned how to graft properly. Before that, I was a bit wet behind the ears. Learned a few little bits and bobs about motors. I wasn't on the tools, I was on the service desk, actually on the phone, ordering parts. But learned a few bits about motors that gave me confidence to start doing stuff like this. And so really looking forward to getting the van MOT'd. I found out it ran out a little while ago, so we're getting it sorted now. And yeah, hope it's going to pass. So I've dropped the van off. I'm just walking now. I've got about an hour. I'm just got to wait. So I actually grew up around this area, so I'm just going to go and walk to a nearby park, go for a bit of a walk. I've been stuck in the van all day, so I'm proper in need of getting out and getting some fresh air, getting a little bit fat. So yeah, just go for a walk for an hour, clear my head. That'd be great. And then I've got a bit of a drive home back to Sittingbourne. But the reason I've come here for an MOT is because it's somewhere I sort of grew up, 7 years working here. It's a bit like extended family, really. And I know they're not going to tuck me up and say it's failed on things it shouldn't have. So that's really, really good. All right, let's see how we get on.
Epilogue.
So a great bit of news, the van passed its MOT. It's now actually about a week after that initial bit of the video was recorded. The reason I'm doing this little bit of a video on the end was just to explain some of the things that happened, because it was a bit bitty. But Matt managed to turn off the engine light, which was great for the airbag, so that was fine. The van passed the MOT. But the great news is, in that video I said that the Dub Hut were kindly going to be selling this van, the T6 project, for me. Great news, we're not actually having to sell the van now. We've managed to, our house extension, we managed to borrow some money from family, which is a beautiful, beautiful thing. And so that means that we're not going to need to sell the van. And so it's actually not up for sale, and I'm going to get to keep it. But I've actually taken off the private plate, and so I'm going to need to put that back on there. So that's cost me 100 quid or 80 quid in doing that, 20 quid with insurance, so £100. But anyway, so that means Vlog Dub is going to be back. And so we're keeping the van. I'm really, really, really pleased about that. It's basically going to be our daily driver when our lease vehicle goes back. So we just felt best to keep this. We know the vehicle inside out, and we've had so much work done on it. It'd be a real shame to get rid of it. And I'll only end up getting another one. So we've decided to do all we can to keep it, which means I get to keep these beautiful, beautiful seats, which I'm so pleased about. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.